Shrutilekh. Shrutilekh is Hindi dictation. Dictation is somebody says something and the other person can write down what has been said. That is, what has been dictated. So, Shrutilekh is very, very important and it is a very powerful tool. Why Shrutilekh? Why is it important? One writing is better than 32 readings. Yes, so when we write, we remember better. We can learn our spellings better. Does writing a full vertical column of the word help? Yes, it does help the child remember the spelling of the word better. So let's begin our writing practice so that we can learn our spelling.
Tu, ta.
Splendid. You are saying as you write. It is very important.
Ibn.
It is very, very important to say
Na.
and write.
Batuta.
Say the letter as you write. What are you writing now? T. Then tu. And
Tu.
ta.
Ta.
A. Excellent.
Ibn Batuta.
Yes. So make sure that you sound out each letter as you write it.
Tu.
Ta.
Ta.
U.
Fa.
Fa.
A.
A.
No.
Excellent.
Tufan. Ta.
U.
Fa.
So ensure that when we pronounce the matras, we lay a stress or we exaggerate the pronunciation for the badi matras.
Tufan.
Excellent. So we say Ibn Battuta.
Tu.
We say Tufan, not Tufan. If we say the word quickly, we miss articulating the matra. If we can hear the matra properly, we will write it properly.
Tufan. No. I. Ka. Ka. Lo. Nickel.
Excellent. Na, ik, la.
Na.
Ik, ka, la.
Lo.
Hindi is a beautiful language and so is the Devanagari script because what you hear is what you write. What you see is what you read. So, nickel. Let's articulate the matras, the pronunciation of the matras
Kal.
so that we can write the words better.
Nickel.
Excellent. Let's go on to the next word.
Thodi.
Thodi. Articulate, say each letter. Th,
Tho.
tho, ad,
Or. E.
splendid. So it's not thodi, it is thodi. Yes, so we stress on the badi ki matra. Tho, ri. Say the E while you write the badi ki matra.
Malte.
What have you done? You have written mal ta. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Mal.
Mal te. Mal
Mal te.
te. Say aloud
Mal
each letter. Mal
te.
te. So we are writing each word
Mal
3 times. This will be quickly followed by a Shrutilekh. Yes, of the words that we have just written. So we are not going to write the full column words. After we write each word 3 times, we are going to have a dictation. Let the Shrutilekh begin. Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta.
Ibn Battuta.
Okay, now can you point to each letter and read the word that you have written?
Ibn Tuta.
Yes, so is it Ibn Tuta or is it Ibn Battuta?
Ibn Battuta.
Battuta, but I cannot seem to see any B. Where does the B come?
Here.
Yes, excellent. You can write it down. So since it's a long word, I have guided you. Ibn Battu. So when you give the dictation, say the matra in such a way that the child cannot make a mistake even if they want to make a mistake. So if we say Ibn Battuta, they might write the choti u ki matra for the t. So we say this word as Ibn Battuta. I'm going to say the next word in English and you're going to write it in Hindi. Storm. What is a storm in Hindi?
Tufan.
Excellent.
Tufan.
Excellent. So we say tufan instead of quickly saying the word as tufan. So when we give the dictation words, we have to say the dictation word as a child writes it. Can we stop the dictation or do you like the dictation?
I like the dictation.
Okay, then next word, nickel. Nickel. Nickel.
Nickel.
Say the letter as you write it. So you're writing k. So say
Nickel. Nickel.
Splendid. Little in Hindi.
Thoda.
Thoda. Okay, I'm going to give you another word. Thodi. Yes, so can you read this word?
No, this comes like this.
Okay, can you read this word? That's a lovely letter you have made with 2 matras. Yes, this is also a word. Tedi. But it is not a dictation word. The dictation word is thodi. Can you try writing it again? Give it a try. Thodi. Not to. Not to. Okay, continue. You can turn the page and look at the word you have practiced writing. Yes, so what is the difference?
The th.
Yes, so
It's the th.
right. So we keep dictating the word till our precious child learns to write it by listening to the sound. And yes, they can flip the page and take a look at what they have practiced writing. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice this word right now twice more.
Tho.
Thodi. Malte. Malte. Ta-e. Te. Would you like me to correct the dictation?
Yes.
Congratulations. So we prepare our child's book with the words they have to learn. Let's use color because color brings life and fun to learning. And then let us ensure that we take a dictation after every 3 or 6 words.
Thank you for watching this Shruti Lake video by Kids Kingdom International School.